Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. स्वागत है. Welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. For today's video, we are going to talk or we are going to discuss a very important question that came in 2019. Yes, this question came in 2019 this year, and in which course it has appeared? It has came in IIT, the prestigious IIT JAM exam 2019. This question has came, and we will be solving this question number 34. So we will be solving question number 34. Now first let me tell you something about question number 34. See, in IIT JAM, all the questions after question number 29, that is from question number, after question number 30, that is from 31, all the questions has two correct alternatives. Okay, so all the question has two correct alternatives. So since it is question number 33, that is after 31, so this question also has two correct alternatives, but the number of total alternatives is not going to change. Total number of alternatives will be the same, that is 4. So out of 4, 2 will be your correct alternatives. Okay, so out of 4, 2 is going to be the correct alternative in this question. So what we'll be doing in this question, we will be solving this question. Full solution will be provided to you, complete solution. I will give you complete solution of this question to you in this video. So I will give you the solution through this video. The complete solution will be provided to you, and what we'll be doing, we will be explaining all the steps to you point by point, explaining the steps, and if there is any theory part, we will be discussing that also. Okay, so we will be discussing the solutions as well in this the theory as well in this video. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the question and read that what this question goes like. So let's move to the question. So now the question is on your screen. The question is, let a sequence an be the sequence of real numbers. So the sequence an is the sequence of all real numbers. Okay, real numbers such that a1 is equal to 1. So the first term of the sequence, that is the first term of the sequence, is equal to 1. Okay, and a of n plus 1 is equal to a of n plus a of n square, and these two condition is only when n is greater than equal to 1. When n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 0 or the negative thing is not going to be the case. Okay, so this is the given criteria which we need to, which the question needs to follow. Then the question is, then which of these alternative is the correct alternative, whether a4 is equal to a1, 1 plus a, 1 plus a2, or 1 plus a3, or limit of limit n tends to 1 by a to the power a of n is equal to 0, or limit n tends to infinity 1 by a of n is equal to 1, or whether it is equal to 0. Now we know, since it is a question number 34, so there may be two correct alternatives. Now we have to find those two correct alternatives here. So since I have already discussed you the details of this question, the things which are provided to us, we are provided with a1 equal to 1, that's the first term. We are provided with a nth term. The term after the nth term should be equal to nth term plus the square of nth term. So see, let's see that when these two condition holds, that on which of these cases these two condition holds. So we are moving to the solution part of this video. Okay, so let's move to the solution part. Okay, students, so let us write the data which is given to us, that is a1 equal to 1, and term after the nth term is equal to nth term plus square of nth term. Okay, when n is greater than equal to 1, this is given to us. Now we will put the values like n equal to 1, then n equal to 2, then n equal to 3, n equal to 4. In this way we will continue putting the values, and then we will see the trend and we'll identify that which option are correct option. So let's put the values one by one. Okay, so let us put the value one by one. So let's move on to the other page for putting the values one by one. Okay, so here we are. If we want to put n equal to 1, okay, so first we will put n equal to 1. So what we will get? We will get a2, that is the thing which is already provided to us is a n plus 1 should be equal to an plus an square. This is given to us. Now let's find out what is the value. It will be a 1 plus 1 equal to a1 plus a1 square. So wherever you see n, put just 1 over there. So it will be a2 equal to a1 plus a1 square. This is the first condition which we are getting. Now we know that a1 is equal to 1 given, so we will put a2 equal to 1 plus 1 square, that is a2 equal to 2. So we have got the value of a2 as well. Now we will put n equal to 2, so again an plus 1 should be equal to an and plus an square. Again the same case. Now we will put this n equal to 2 wherever we can see n. So just put n equal to 2 equal to a2 plus a2 square. So it will be a3 equal to a2 plus a2 square. Now you can see from the previous part we have got the value of a2 which is equal to 2. So simply put 2 wherever you can see a2. So it will be 2 plus 2 square, that is a3 is equal to 2 plus 4, that is a3 is equal to 6. So we have got the value of a3 as well, which is equal to 6. Okay, now we will do for n equal to 3. Now let's do it for n equal to 3. Again similar thing, an plus 1 equal to an plus an square. So it will be a3 plus 1 should be equal to a3 plus a3 square. So this is a simple question. Okay, no complications are here. a4 equal to a3. So in place of a3 we can write 6, right? So in place of a3 we will write 6 plus 6 square. So it can be written as a4 equal to 6 plus 6 square is 36. So it will follow that a4 is nothing but 42. Now similarly we will do for n equal to 4. Okay, so let's do it for n equal to 4. N equal to 4, a4 plus 1 equal to a4 plus a4 square. So it will be a5 equal to a4's value we have got 42. So 42 plus 42 square. So a5 would be 42, 1 plus 42. So it will be 42 into 43. So a5 would be if we solve a5, that is a2 in 42 into 43, then multiplying 42 and 43 we will get a value which is equal to 1806. So this is the value of 42 into 43. So we have got the value of a1, a2, a3, a4. So you can see that from option A, that in option A which was provided to us, it was there that a4 is equal to a1 1 plus a1 into 1 plus a2 into 1 plus a3. This was option A, right? Let's move back to the question and let me show you. See, option 1 was a4 equal to a1, 1 plus a1, 1 plus a2, 1 plus a3. Okay, so let's write that part here. Okay, 1 plus a3. So just put the value 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus our a2's value was equal to so a2 value come to be 2, right? Yes, 2. Our a3 value came to be 6. So if we solve it, our a4 value came to be 42. So if we solve it, it will be 1 plus 2, 3, 7, which is equal to 42. So 42 equal to 42, which means a4 equal to this is the correct option. So we have got the first correct alternative. Correct option, first correct alternative we have already got. So in this way, it is kind of backward method which we followed for finding the first option of this question. So we followed the backward method. Now it is not yet over, we have to solve the second option. So this option is true. Now let's move to do some other backward calculation. Now from option B. Now option B, look at option B. What was option B? Let me move back to the question and see that what was option B. So option B was limit 1 by an equal to 0 when n tends to infinity. Okay, so let's study this option. Option B was limit when n tends to infinity 1 by an should be equal to 0. This was, now if you put this, it is a convergent since, and this is an convergent sequence. Since this is a convergent sequence, therefore L should be equal to L plus L squared or L equal to 0. Therefore this option is also correct. So option B is also correct. So we have got the two alternatives. One is A, another is B. One is A4 should be equal to A1, 1 plus A1, 1 plus A2, 1 plus A3, and this one we have got that when limit of n tends to infinity, the 1 by the sequence an is equal to 0. So these two options are correct options. Now what we found that option B and option A are correct. So let's move back to the question. This is the question, and we can easily see that option A and option B are the correct options. So this option and this option are the right options. So option A and B are correct. So I explained this thing to you, and I hope you all understood this topic as well. But still, if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can contact us. How will you contact? You can contact us through two ways. One, you can WhatsApp us, or you can call us as well anytime at this number 9836 793 076. You can contact us at this number. We are available to you all the time. 24/7 availability is there, and you can also visit our website, that is www.sauravsirclass.com. This is our website. You can visit this website anytime, or for any further details regarding this question or regarding IIT JAM, you can visit our website. This is our website's website address, and if you have any doubt regarding this, you can contact us. And whatever I told you in this question, that is a theory explanation. We did some theory explanation, we solved the question, we explained the concept, and I hope you all understood this video. And for watching this video, thanks a lot, student. Thank you.